There are way too many people at this waterfall right now. Jeez. Out here in Eaton Canyon, about to hike to the Eaton Canyon Falls Water Trail. We've been having a lot of rain here in California the past week or two, and from what I hear, the waterfall is very, very full of water, and it's a little bit of a tough hike to get up. I've never seen water down this far. This is so crazy. Nice. It's a whole line of people waiting to cross. How many people are afraid to get wet? They shouldn't even come out here. This is hilarious. There's seriously a whole line of people just waiting to cross the water so they don't get wet at all. That's crazy. They're that afraid to get wet. God. Just so many people here. Hey, doggy. Either way, Eaton Canyon is one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've seen. This is a really nice hike. It's not too tough, but it's not too easy. I'm gonna go down here and check this out since I've never seen water down this low. This is amazing. I've never seen water down here. What? Last time I came out by myself, I don't know where I ended up, over here somewhere. As you can see, there's multiple trails. This direction leads to Coyote Canyon, where I've never been. It's crazy how there's like houses right over here. These people have like an amazing view. Wow. Beautiful. Here's a nice little bridge. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Possibly a little. Oh. Yeah. I'm a border for you. I know. It's really cool how this trail like winds the whole way around into the canyon. Some advice: try to come here as early as you can, because the sun is already halfway past the day, and then it gets eclipsed out of the canyon here. There's only secluded light in there in the first place. This is the area not to get lost at. If you stay up and you cross that bridge, you're going the wrong way. You gotta head down towards the water. Golden retriever is the best. Usually you can walk across here and climb that into that lookout post. It's kind of cool to sit inside. If you're feeling super risky, you can climb on top like my cousin did one time. I don't recommend it, but
my feet are dry still.
people are really overcomplicating this crossing. Don't think too hard about it, just do it. This is looking like a majestic forest right now. I like it. Way too many people.
Yours too? Yeah. And it goes over the top of the boot and don't know why.
That's the best hiking stick there is right there. The hardest part is not even the water. Getting past all the people.
Just write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this line? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? Drove for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would you find?
This waterfall is absolutely packed right now. I just got a peek up at a whole horde of people.
Just write it off like a prescription drug.
Someone's way up top. This guy's about to climb down the waterfall. and there's a whole bunch of people here just spectating him. We may all just see this guy's life end. There is no telling.
Prescription drug.